Hi guys! And welcome to my YouTube channel. Ngayon, mag-unbox naman tayo ng Huawei Band 4. Ito siya. Ito yung box niya. Color niya is graphite black. Dito makikita yung product name and product model. And ito yung likod. Bago tayo mag-unbox, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell button to keep you updated on my latest video. So, start na natin mag-unbox. So, sa loob, merong isang band. Ito siya. Merong quick start guide and safety information. And isang warranty card. Tsaka isang charging the band. Yung instruction kung paano i-charge yung band. Okay. So, ayan yung nasa loob ng box ng Huawei Band 4. So, ngayon, sabihin ko naman yung specs ng Huawei Band 4. So, yung size niya, yung band body niya, yung length niya is 56 mm by 18.5 mm. And yung width niya is 12.5 mm. Eh, yung strap width niya is 17 mm. Color niya is graphite black. Battery niya is capacity 91 mAh. Charging time about 1.5 hours. Yung display niya is TFT color screen. So, ayan yung display niya. Resolution niya is 80 by 160 pixel and yung size niya is 0.96 inches. Sensor niya is 3-axis acceleration sensor, infrared wear sensor, and optical heart rate sensor. Operating system niya is Android 4.4 and iOS 9.0. Material niya, plastic. Strap niya, silicone rubber. Yung charging port niya is USB charging port. So, itatanggalin mo lang siya dito. Tapos, isasaksak mo siya sa USB. Water resistant din siya. And yung microprocessor niya is Apollo 3. Storage niya is yung room niya is 384 and yung flash niya is 32 MB. Button control niya, full screen touch and home key. Yan siya. Environment niya, ambient operating temperature 10 Celsius plus 45 Celsius degree. Bluetooth niya, Bluetooth frequency is 2.4 and Bluetooth niya 4.2. So, yun yung specs ng Huawei Band 4. So, maganda siya. Suotin. Tsaka plug and charge siya, di ba? Plug and charge. Creative watch faces. Heart rate monitoring siya. Sleep tracking. 9 workout modes. And 50-meter water resistant. So, maganda talaga yung Huawei Band 4. Ayun. And that's all. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. Bye, guys!